Back here at home though, we have the blizzard warning still in place that begins at 9 o'clock tonight.
Oh yeah. This is going to be one long night. There's just so much freaking snow everywhere. This was bare ground yesterday. Yeah. And I see Zach got the hood up on the truck. Let's go see what's going on. We got the water. We just thankfully don't have the cold. We've gotten about 2 inches of rain today, which would have 1 inch of rain equals about 10 inches of snow. Zach, what's going on?
They left the controller on.
She was dead?
Yeah.
She was deader than a doornail?
Didn't want to start.
Yeah. You got her fired up though, huh?
Yeah. I put the charger on it and fired it right up.
We've got 5 to 8 inches of wet slop. Just depends on when the temp drops. Will determine how much snow we're gonna get. And it's gonna sit and roll over the top of us tonight. So there's not gonna be any relief. Hope you guys, if you're south of me in that tornado zone, I hope you stay safe, you guys. I hope you got shelter, but well, let's wait for this to turn to white, and then see you then. When they said 40-50 mile an hour winds, they weren't joking. This one just hit right here, right now. Where's my flashlight?
Still Ford tough, that's for sure.
Oh God, look at that. Yeah, I think a couple of these trees might be going down before this night's over. Here, grab that off there, will ya?
At least this part didn't hit it.
Right. Yeah. It's not done with us yet, is it? Minnesota doesn't give us much break. Looks like we got problems up ahead. Looks like a tree fell in the road. Suppose we can pull off that skiddy and push it off the road, right? Let's go see what's going on. What do we got, a tree?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. I don't want to go and just whip around.
No, you stay where you're at. Let's go around it. Let's go around it. That's not even much of a tree block. There's going to be a lot of trees down in this one. Minnesota! This was the April 1st snowstorm, and the snow that night was as thick and wet and heavy as any snowstorm we'd seen all year. And that's saying a lot, since we'd seen over 103 inches, or our third snowiest season on record. I'm gonna start getting all the equipment set up, but after you get the ASV dropped off and the trailer dropped off, fire up that sledge, lift up that blade, and check that front tire.
Yeah, didn't even think of that.
I didn't either. That's what happens when you have an actual 2 weeks off with no.
Yeah, coming off of being up north at the cabin and then coming to work all weekend.
Yeah. Good evening, kids. In the next scene, we're gonna see how many pieces of equipment we can fill into a really tiny lot. Why? just because it looks kind of cool. I send out this list and I say, please confirm, and then I say, please confirm again, but I don't have John on there. Hey John, does your please confirm button not frickin' work?
I tried.
No,
I was pressing the button.
No, it didn't.
His phone don't work.
Whose dog is that? Yours?
Yeah.
Buddy, Lucy, come here.
It's okay, Lucy. Come on.
Lucy, come on.
Come on, Lucy. Come here.
What are you? Why is she so skittish tonight?
She's been acting funny ever since she got shot. So
If you guys didn't know it, Alex's dog, the neighbor, shot her.
yeah.
Yep. What's his name? Do you know?
No, I don't know what his name
Because if you want, you could say his name.
is. I don't. If I
I'd
knew what
let
his
the
name was,
world
I
know
would
his
say
name
it.
and address. Because anybody that shoots a freaking dog, because that's, I don't
yeah,
care
it's-
what. It wasn't attacking nobody. She wasn't hurting nobody. It was just walking through his yard, so he shot her with, what did he use? Rubber pellets, though?
No, it was a 22
Salt
bird
pellets.
shot.
22 bird shot?
Yeah. It's okay, Lucy. Come on.
It's okay. Hey, Jay.
Yeah.
Thanks for confirming. Was that hard to do? To hit the I'm coming to work tonight button?
Oh.
I talked to Alex and I talked to Tim. Alex had to
He
hit the
did
plow
talk
on
to
me.
me. Yeah.
Okay, well then thanks for confirming with me, Alex.
I didn't text in there either. So
Yeah,
you got-
what the hell?
I just can't believe this actually amounted to anything. I for sure thought it was.
Everybody's like, no, it's just gonna be rain. It's just
I
gonna
was
be
hoping
rain.
it was going to be
Well, Alex was that.
No, everybody I talked to.
Oh, they said it too.
Yeah.
You never
not
heard
gonna
those
stick.
words
The
come out of my
ground's
mouth, Luke.
The ground's too warm.
Dude, that just means the snow's gonna suck more.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the heart attack stuff.
Yep.
Heart attack snow and the loaders don't like to push it. Neither does the AS.
Do we need an extra hand?
Do we have an extra hand?
Oh, a kid just called me that wants to work.
Do we have enough equipment? Well, we got the cat.
No, look at that. Look at how much snow you kicked up, how deep that is, just from where you were standing.
Oh yeah.
This is going to be one long night.
And day tomorrow. Yeah. Of course, every time we make plans, then it's got to snow. Of course, I have a hot day tomorrow, and
Oh, is your girlie coming into town?
yeah, she came in today, but
Boyfriend? Is your boyfriend coming into town?
April Fool's.
April Fools! That would be nice. And then technically, it is April Fool's Day today.
Ooh, I got one plan for Tim.
Oh, do ya? What do you got planned for him?
I crashed into this building.
Oh,
and
you gonna
truck's
do that?
totaled out. I need a ride.
Boy, you stand out there for a moment or two and you don't look the same when you're done. Got her crooked somehow. I'm gonna try to hit a curb and see if that straightens it out. Look at that thing. Don't get your fingers in there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit a curb. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put it right up to that curb right up there. Here, just take the camera. Let's see if it does something.
Still jacked?
Still jacked.
Yeah, don't get your fingers in there. It ain't worth it.
I got them all. I can try hitting the cutting edge, hit it with a hammer. No, but we got to get it to shift back over.
Yep. I wonder if I pushed it against like a light pole or something solid.
So, or maybe you can come up, if you can get up halfway on a curve and then try to back and twist so it's kind of pushing, if it can catch that right there on the curb and push it a little this way, that might do it. Okay. Kind of just made it work. Oh, dang it.
What?
Yeah, it just kind of made it, the way it hooked, it kind of made it a little worse.
Oh,
But,
let's try that curve over there.
all right. You're golden. Back up a little bit. You're good.
Let's see how bad this is.
Back into something?
Every single window in my truck was so fogged up, I couldn't see out nothing. Everything was froze up. Yep. I just got to plow all night long for a bumper. Snow plowing makes tons of money.
How'd that happen? How'd your sensor thingies not go off?
Nothing went off. I couldn't see out any window. None of the sensors would work. It was so fogged up and caked over, nothing was actually operating.
Oh yeah, that's right. Those stupid sensors, they'll go the if there's ice on it. So.
What did you end up meeting up with? Was it a snow pile or what?
It was something harder than my bumper, let's just put it that way. I was even looking at it like, son of a duck. If I could have tagged the hitch dead on, that thing, that's like a...
That wouldn't have bent. That would have bent the other thing.
It would have stopped you.
Yeah, that's like a freaking rock mountain. Oh, jeez, look at that. Yeah. And we got into the backyard to see what's going on over there. There's just so much freaking snow everywhere. This was bare ground yesterday. I had that gut feeling that this one was going to be hard on the trees. I'd say it definitely was. What?
Huh?
What?
Nothing. I just want to go see your bumper.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I can't even tell, Stan. You hit something with it?
I know. It's hardly nothing. It's
fine, man.
it'll be good. It'll be good. It'll buff out. I'll buff that right out.
Bing.
Yep.
This has got to be just one section and the plastic piece. It's a split bumper, right? It's just two pieces, isn't it? If I swear. It's a split bumper, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just that
Plastic
side
piece and
and the bumper. That's like 1,000, and that's like
That's like
nowadays,
10,000.
That's probably like
get that shit right
300
on
bucks?
Amazon from China for cheap.
Yeah, but it's only got a crack. You can use super glue.
So you can get them off Amazon?
Yeah.
Really?
I'd get them off of eBay because eBay's cheaper than Amazon.
All right, you guys. Well, that's calling it for tonight and today's festivities. You didn't get a whole lot of plowing footage because it was a freaking frustrating
that
mess.
place is open on the weekend though.
For what?
The hose coupling place.
Oh, we'll get it next week. We'll have you stay back one day and fix some crap and haul some crap and do some crap, and
So we're not hauling tonight.
we're not hauling tonight. We may come back tonight to do some cleanup, touch up though.
Oh, bro.
But I don't know if we are or not.
Yeah.
So, but I got to get everything punched out. All right, and you guys got to go do something too with your life. So that's all we got for you on this one. God bless. Go get them, you guys.